Hello everyone, marhaban bikum. Welcome to my Arabic lesson series. And today, here we have a second video. And first of all, I'm very sorry for delay to this video. And inshallah, now I promise you to upload the one video every day. If you want to know more about this course, you can watch the introduction video. And I know you want to learn Arabic language. And inshallah, I will fulfill your this goal. I will try my best to upload the one video regularly so you can progress on daily basis in Arabic language. I have structured this course from basic to advanced for all levels. Even if you are a beginner and you know nothing about Arabic language and you are just starting right now, inshallah in this course I will cover up everything related to Arabic speaking. First of all, I will cover up the Arabic grammar, I will cover up the Arabic phrases, I will cover up the common conversation in Arabic language, and inshallah you will be able to speak Arabic language by the end of this course. And today inshallah we are going to cover up all Arabic pronouns. And inshallah if you will only continue this video, you will be amazed to know that how much you will learn in this single video. And in Arabic language we have 12 pronouns. And in English language we have 6 pronouns. Why in Arabic language we have more pronouns? Because in Arabic language we have separate pronoun for male, we have separate pronoun for female, we have separate pronoun for singular, we have separate pronoun for two persons, and we have separate pronoun for plural. And there is no need to be worried. Inshallah, I will explain everything step by step for you. There is no need to be worried. And inshallah, at the end of this video, you will understand everything. Just be relaxed and stay back. Let's roll out. There is no need to be worried. Nothing is going to be complex in this video. Inshallah, I will explain everything step by step. Are you ready to explore the all Arabic pronouns? Okay. First of all, let's look at the pronouns in English language. In English language, we have 6 pronouns like I, you, we, they, he, she. I think it's 6. Okay. So let's look at the pronouns in Arabic language. For I, in Arabic language, we have a pronoun ana. I, ana. I, ana. It can, the word ana can be used for male and female. If you are male, you can say I, ana. You can say ana. If you are female, you can say ana. Like, I am Tahir, I'm male. Ana Tahir. Ana Tahir. And if you are a female, like the example, Fatima. Ana Fatima. Ana Fatima. I'm Fatima. So the word ana can be used for male and female. Here is the first pronoun in the Arabic language, ana. You can repeat after me or how long you want. You can repeat after me. You can pause this video and you can repeat after me how long you want. Let's look at the another pronoun. In Arabic language, we have 2 pronouns for you. Like anta, anti. Anta means you and anti means you. If you are addressing to a male, you will say anta. 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 If you are addressing to a male, you will say anta. Anta. If I say you are Tom, you are Tom, you Tom, anta Tom, anta Tom, anta Tom, or you are Ahmed. Anta Ahmed. Anta Ahmed. Let's look at for females. If you are addressing to a female, you have to say you Fatima. Anti Fatima. You Fatima. Anti Fatima. Anti Fatima. You Ahmed. Anta Ahmed. Anta Ahmed. And for Fatima, if you are addressing a Fatima, you Fatima, Anti Fatima, Anti Fatima. Anta and Anti mean you or you are. Anta, you or you are. Anta Ahmed, you are Ahmed. Anti Fatima, you are Fatima. I, Ana, you, Anta, Anti. For if you are addressing a male, Anta. If you are addressing a female, Anti. So it's nothing complex. There's no need to be worried. Inshallah, I will explain everything with detail. You can repeat after me. You can pause this video. In Arabic language, I told you before, we have a separate pronoun for two, and we have separate pronoun for plural, and we have separate word for plural. And here it's going to be a difficult part, so I want you to be focused. If you will focus, and inshallah you will understand everything. Like I told you before, in Arabic language we have separate word for plural and we have separate word for two persons. If I'm addressing a two persons, I will say Antuma. Antuma is also a pronoun in Arabic language. Two person. Antuma. You two, male or female. Antuma actually can use for male and female. You two. Antuma. Antuma. You two. Antuma. You two. Antuma. You two طيب and أحمد. أنتما طيب وأحمد. أنتما you two. أنتما طيب وأحمد. For females, you can use أنتما also for both female and male. For female, you can say أنتما زينب وفاطمة. أنتما زينب وفاطمة. You two are Fatima and Zainab. Antuma Fatima wa Zainab. Or you can use for male Antuma Ahmed wa Tayyib. You two are Ahmed and Tayyib. Let's repeat. I, Ana. You if you are addressing a male, Anta. You if you are addressing a female, Anti. And if you are addressing a two persons, male or female, you can say Antuma. You two. Antuma Fatima wa Zainab. Or Antuma Tayyib wa Tahir. You can use Antuma for two persons only. There is no need to be worried. Again, I'm explaining. I will explain everything step by step with detail, inshallah. And at the end of this video, you will know all the Arabic pronouns, inshallah. So let's continue. The next one is you are all. Antum or Antunna. You will say Antum if you are addressing a plural males, but if you will say Antum if you are addressing a plural males. Like Antum Talaba. You are all students. You are all male students. Antum Talaba. Antum Talaba. Antum Talaba. And if you are addressing a plural females, like you have to say you are all females. You are all females. Antunna. Now in this video we are just learning the Arabic pronouns, and inshallah also I will cover up the vocabulary, and also I will cover up the other rules. We have two pronouns to point the plurals, male or female. Antum or Antunna. Antum, if you are addressing a plural males, you will say Antum, like you are all students. Antum Talaba. You are all male students. Antum Talaba. You are all female students. Antunna Talibat. Antunna Talibat. Let's again. I, Ana. You, Anta if you are addressing a male. You, Anti if you are addressing a female. If you are addressing a two persons, Antuma can use for male or females. Antuma Fatima wa Zainab. Antuma Tayyib wa Tahir. You can use Antuma for both male and female if you are addressing a two persons. And if you are addressing a plural, like you are all males or you are all females, antum and antunna. Antum for males. If you're addressing a plural males, antum. If you're addressing a plural females, you will say antunna.